In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft To Do with Google Calendar. If you're tired of bouncing between your tasks and your calendar, this quick setup will keep them in sync so you can plan your day with confidence. We're going to use a tool called Zapier to build a small automation. It's free to start, so if you don't have an account yet, create one and sign in. On the Zapier dashboard, look for the Create button, sometimes shown as a plus icon. Click it to start a new automated workflow, which Zapier calls a zap. Every zap starts with a trigger, the event that tells Zapier when to run. Choose Trigger to set that up. In the search bar, type Microsoft To Do and select it. This makes your tasks the starting point for the automation. Then choose New Task as the trigger event. With this selected, each time you add a new task in Microsoft To Do, Zapier will spring into action. When prompted, sign in to your Microsoft To Do account so Zapier can securely read your tasks. Next, use the list dropdown to pick the task list you want to sync. Most people choose their main list, but you can target any specific list you prefer. You'll now see fields where you can map information from your task to a Google Calendar event. This is where the magic happens. Map your task name to the event title so it appears clearly in your calendar. Use the due date for the event's date and include a time if you add one to your tasks, so the event lands at the right hour. It's also helpful to map task notes to the description field to carry over extra context, like links or checklists. Before turning it on, click Test Setup. Zapier will run a quick check with a sample task and show you a success message if everything is configured correctly. If something looks off, maybe the date or title isn't appearing the way you want, adjust your field mapping and run the test again until it matches your expectations. When the test looks good, click Publish to activate the zap. From now on, whenever you create a new task in the selected Microsoft To Do list, a corresponding event will automatically appear in Google Calendar. That means no more manual copying, fewer missed details, and a schedule that reflects your to-dos in real time. And that's it. You've connected Microsoft To Do to Google Calendar using Zapier. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you never miss a new upload.